that you've had to put up with an awful lot from me. But now it's reached the point, baby, where we both know it has to be. And if we can lose our worries in the life we've come to lead, then maybe there'll be a chance, girl, that you can learn to count on me. So from now on, I'll give my heart to you. Every day the sun shines down, opens my eyes more. Man would have to be blind not to see what I've got and what's in store. Oh lady, 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 take my hand in yours, and we can walk on to new things and leave behind what went before. So from now on, I'll give my heart to you, and we can make it easy now, we can make it right. Got a lot of living in the days ahead, and I know that you know, even far apart, I am you and you are me forever. And I know that you know, even far apart, I am you and you are me forever. And I've been told that happiness is just for some. I didn't believe it then, and I don't think I should do so now. 'Cause having you makes it feel alright, and reading paperbacks won't help when it's wrong. You gotta fix it right. So from now on, I'll give my heart to you. I was living high and playing hard, thinking mostly of me. I never spent more than a passing thought. The love you gave I thought was free. Now I realize your leaving made me see I should have given more